Grey skies press down on Manchester streets. 22 years here, nothing but hurt beneath. Some mornings I can barely find my feet. Canal water dark, carrying pain so deep. Trauma's roots twist through every stone wall, leaving me broken, feeling so small. Every corner holds a scar I can't erase. Every sound brings back the tears I can't replace. This city never home, just a prison of rain, where hurt and fear were all at gain. Rain on the canal, it's all pain and strife. Manchester's beat cuts like a knife. My heart bends deep under the weight of it all. Worn down by trauma, ready to fall, until I head west into Liverpool's light. Liverpool is home where my life has begun, where hospitality took flight, best memories are spun. Everton's paths, Goodison stands so M&S Bank Arena, where I felt 10 feet tall, where I hit the books hard and studied through it all, and found my best friends with more than gold. And when the dark feels too much to get through, Liverpool calls, it brings me back to you. I passed the place where the painter first took hold, where every moment left me cold. Bricks and asphalt that scream out my path. Every step forward never meant to last. 2 decades of carrying wounds I can't hide. Tears that stream with nowhere to ride. But then we head west, past fields to the Mersey shore, where the air itself feels like a healing and more. My first shift in hospitality, apron tied tight, learning to serve with all my might. Late nights hitting notes and pages with care, studying hard to build a life I could share. Everton Park's long walks clear my troubled mind, where green grass and sky help peace I find. Goodison's roll lifts me up from the ground. M&S Bank Arena, where I danced all around. My best friends stand by me through thick and through thin. We studied together, let our dreams begin. Liverpool is home, where I'm finally free, where my career is started and my heart can breathe. Rain on the canal, it's all pain and strife. Manchester's beat cuts like a knife. My heart bends deep under the weight of it all. Worn down by trauma, ready to fall, until I head west into Liverpool's light. Liverpool is home where my life has begun, Well, hospitality took flight, but memories are spun. Everton Park's paths, Goodison stands so tall. Eminence Bank Arena where I felt 10 feet tall. And found my best friends with more than gold. When the dark gets too much to get through, Liverpool calls, it brings me back to you. The water will clear when I let go of the past. Manchester hurt wasn't meant to last. It carved me rough, left me marked and torn, but made me strong enough for what lay beyond. From Irwell's banks where the pain held me to Mersey's shore where my story could grow. Everton Park steps, each one a new start. Hospitality's heart, Goodison in my heart. M&S Bank Arena where dreams took their part. Books piled high, friends by my side. This is where I thrive. Sun breaks through only on Mercy's face. I take a breath in my rightful place, ready for whatever comes next. With all my heart, Liverpool's warmth pulls me apart from the dark. The mud in Manchester will stay where it's found. But here by the Mersey, new life's all around. Home was never there, that place of hurt and rain. Liverpool is home where my life began, where hospitality soared, where I learned and I grew. With best friends beside me, my whole world so true.